Okay, hello. This is what we're going to be talking about today is how to remove a rear sprocket from a Harley-Davidson wheel. And this particular bike, this is a 2019 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. And we're replacing the tires, all the other stuff, and I just want to show you guys how to remove this. Okay, this is actually pretty tight right in there. So some of the tools that you're going to use is a ratchet set. This is a 5/8 right here. I'm going to have my torque wrench. I have my blue Loctite, and also I have my impact wrench. Sometimes it will go with the impact wrench and sometimes it won't. Okay, so first thing that we want to do, we just want to make sure everything is nice and clean and ready to go. So I'm going to try it with a torque wrench right here, and I'm just going to go right from the top. Okay, so first bolt. Okay, and as you can see, when I pull this out, it has a lot of blue Loctite. I'm just going to put it right over here. So we're going to go in sequence. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Then 3. Okay, 4. And 5, okay? Now we are good to go. Now this should pop off. Oh, okay, here we go. And basically this is what it looks like, right? So now what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna place it over here. I'm gonna take my rag, wipe as much stuff as I possibly can, and everything here looks actually pretty good. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean each bolt. I'm going to remove the old Loctite, and I'm going to do this right over here. That way, everything is nice and clean. Okay. This actually looks pretty good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all 5, and then once this is done, I'm going to continue with the video. Okay, I have already cleaned all the bolts, and I already have applied blue Loctite. One last bolt, I'm just quickly going to do it right here. I'm going to apply it on the threads a little bit more. Okay, so I have all the bolts, everything is nice and clean. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and take my sprocket, align it. Everything is clean in here, right? Align it like this. Okay, and this is it. It's perfect. Then I'm going to take my bolts, and I'm going to use my hand to just tighten them. Okay. Go with the sequence. So we're going to go 1, 2, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. This only tightens up to, on level 1, to about 10 foot-pounds. Okay, so we are good here. Next, what we're going to do, according to the sheet, what we got to do, we got to tighten these up to between 35 and 45 foot-pounds initial pass. And then once that is done, we're going to go with a final pass between 55 and 65. Okay. So I have my torque wrench right here, and I already have it set for 36 foot-pounds. And I'm just going to place this wheel like that. That way you guys can see it. And I'm going to go in sequence. We're going to go start with the top. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, next, the final pass is 55 and 65. So I'm just going to go down to, where is it, 50, 55. I'm going to go down to 50, 58. Okay, and same thing. We're going to go start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we are good to go. All right, so what we have learned here in last about 5 minutes is how to replace the sprocket or remove the sprocket for whatever reasons that you have to do the correct way and the correct the spec, correct torque. And if you like the video, please give me a like and share, and I'll see you on the next one.